December 9th, 2020, practice / on your own. The table shows how many gallons are typically in these items listed. So we have a bathtub, which is typically 42 gallons that it can hold in general. A gas tank typically can hold about 17 gallons, give or take. And blood in a human body is about 15 gallons of blood, which is crazy to think because you don't even think you can fit 15 gallons of blood in you. But guess what? You can. So how many quarts does a gas tank and blood in a human body measure all together? All right, so we're going to figure out how many quarts, a gas tank, and blood in the human body. So gas tank and blood in the human body. So I'm going to highlight those just so we can see those a little more clear. So now we're going to look and figure out how many gallons there are together. So if we have 17 plus 15, 17 plus 15, to figure out how many gallons there are total, and then we can convert it. So 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. All right, so 32 gallons is how much is in both total. So 32 gallons. I'm going to put a G for gallons. Now, we are going to put that over 1 because remember, we can always put something over 1 and still keep its same value. All right, so we're trying to get from gallons to quarts. We're trying to go to quarts. So I'm going to put a Q, T for quarts. And I'm going to put gallons because on the bottom because we're trying to get rid of gallons. Now, 32 gallons over 1. We're going to try to figure out quarts and gallons. Quarts and gallons. Here's quarts. Here's 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So we can, in fact, cancel out those gallons because gallons divided by gallons is 1. Now in our denominator, 1 times 1 is 1. And in our numerator, 32 times 4 quarts is going to give us our answer. So we're going to do 32. I'm going to kind of delete those. I'll move this up. Whoop. 32 times, perfect, 4. All right, 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer is going to be 128. All right, now we have 128 here, and we're going to keep that quarts. And our answer, our final answer is 128, and I'm going to write quarts. So there we have it. There's our practice / on your own. So there's 128 quarts altogether. I'm just going to highlight this yellow just so we can see that that's the answer. You do not have to. And that's it. Great job.